Adam from MarketLife.com here with a video for October 22nd, 2020. So first of all, big picture. Here's an interesting thing. If you just look at the index, you still see very bullish patterns. And I would argue strongly we need to continue to focus on the upside based on what we see in the indexes. All of the charts of the indexes look bullish to maybe even strongly bullish. However, we're not going to go through details here, but one of the things that we're seeing in our work with individual stocks is a lot of short setups. And this is interesting because we have not really seen this since March. It's been very, very easy to stay focused on the long side, to not get caught with shorts. But over and over in the larger caps, and this is work that we're doing for our members, we've gone from having 0 short setups to having a handful of really, really nice short setups, short in Altria, for instance, but a lot of names, and of course some energy names. But we also, and you will see this, I think, if you flip through our small cap watch list, a lot of these are showing some downward momentum. So it's not enough to get us thinking about shorting heavily, but it is a data point. Could still be in the context of rotation, or this, as Tom just typed to me in chat, could be the canary. This could be the beginnings of some momentum that points to larger scale breakdown. Far too early to say that, but we are on guard. Now, having said that, and with that context, we're still focused on longs. It's still the right thing to do. It's sometimes that right thing, you know, what your method, what your system tells you to do can be very uncomfortable. In my experience, many times those moments when we are uncomfortable actually turn out to be the best trade. So focusing on longs is a little bit uncomfortable here, but it's the right thing to do. And we really like this setup here in BLFS. This is a little bit of an attempted breakout, a little bit of back and forth. A lot of ways to read this pattern, but the key is the consolidation here. And you can look to trigger this long. Several possibilities. I would consider probably the clearest is the high of this inside bar. But if you do that, so you're looking for trading Thursday to trigger long above Wednesday's high. If you do that, you only want to hold on to this trade, I think, if you close above the previous day's high. So when we have an inside bar, this previous bar, or the inside bar is a good entry trigger, but you want to see ideally the same day. Maybe you could wait to the next day. You want to see you take that out. Why? Because if you don't, you risk getting caught into something like this that turns into a bigger sell-off. So that's something to be aware of. Initial stops are somewhere around $27, and even more than ever, as we start to get maybe a little bit concerned about a turn in the market, you want to focus on taking those 1R at least partial profits. So that's what we have today. Maybe the first warning of some turning in the market, but we're still very focused on the upside. And we'll see you back tomorrow for another video. Give us a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and please help us get the word out. Look, I'll just say it. The more people that watch these, the more content like this we can put out. So help us get the word out. Tell everybody you know, whatever trading community, whatever trading friends you have, and we certainly appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. And we'll see you tomorrow.